Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlites. Cadets, today we are going to see an important topic from your common syllabus SDSW. That is a lesson from National Integration NI. That is the second lecture. National Integration, Importance and its Necessity. I am Lieutenant Commander Dr. Sajid Ondekar, retired Associate NCC Officer of 3 Maharashtra Naval NCC Pune and Associate Professor and Head Department of Geology, AKI's Pune College of Arts, Science, Commerce, Camp Pune, Maharashtra, India. I have served the 3 Maharashtra Naval NCC right from 1997 to 2018. 20 years I served as an NCC NO in 3 Maharashtra Naval NCC. I retired last 2 years. Now due to the pandemic, I got a chance to make the videos with the help of the OBS studio, and I feel proud today. I am now one by one slowly uploading the common syllabus SDSW on YouTube channel. That is my PC Geo Kimberly. Earlier also 4-5 videos I have been uploaded. Those who have been just joined or the viewers which are first time coming now, the cadets which are there, they can go and see my earlier videos also. Right from the beginning, I have made the videos, and now slowly I am going to make out the 80 videos, SD and SW. And after that, if I get a time or I have a time, then I can go for the naval subjects. So this is the what we have. Today we are going to see NI, that is National Integration, second lecture, National Integration, Importance and its necessity. Yes, we'll start. This is my 5th video in this consecutive, so that has been marked so that everyone can understand now which particular video you are going to look out on this PC Geo Kimberlite. Now in the introduction, we have as per, this is all syllabus I have been taken from the NCC common syllabus from the NCC Directorate. Indian civilization is the oldest civilization in the world. In the past, people belonging to the different races, religions came and settled down. Yes, that we have seen in the first part of national integration. What are the races are there, how they come and how they are settled. So they are brought with them their distinctive language and lifestyle. So that also we have seen the different tribes with their distinct languages intermingled with the various tribes of our country, and that is why our culture is described as an example of composite culture. Yes, that is the composite culture is there. It is made up of all communities, races and religions are there. Now the next one, national integration, the second point, the part 1 in this we are going to see the national integration. The national integration meaning, what is that meaning? A feeling of togetherness and unity among the people of a country. Yes, these two words, feeling of together and unity among the people of the country. Yes, that is the definition, national integration. Remember, this may ask you in A type or B type or C type certificate examinations. It also means an atmosphere in which all citizens, irrespective of their caste, religion, and region, live together peacefully. So that is what we have, the national integration. It refers to integration in all respect, social, political, economic, and above all, emotional. Yes, we have all are emotionally attached with each one. It is an integrated country. People share common goals. They all work together and cooperate with each other for the various prosperity of the nation. We must understand that national integration does not mean uniformity of all. It does not stand for uniformity of regions, dress and food habits. So each one has his own religion is there, dress code is different, food habits are different, everything is there, diversification is there, and that is the uniqueness of what we have in India. It means both the preservedness of diverse culture and at the same time living and working in harmony with each other. That is the very important we have the peace which we have in India. No country or society can survive if its people do not remain united. If we are not united, we cannot live together. We will fight together. That is there. You can see all over the world now. Yes, so many political regions. There is the fightings are there, internal disturbances are there. But in India, we have been most stable one. The feeling of togetherness and a sense of belonging are absolutely necessary for a nation to survive. To make to survive the things, there should be a feeling of togetherness and sense of belonging. That is a very important one, and it is absolutely necessary for the nation to survive. Such feeling can only be generated through the process of integration. It is only process through integration, and might be some of the political parties, they will be take the advantage and disturbs, and they will take the political advantage, but the rest of Indian national integration is a very good in India. Thus national integration is a positive concept which provides strength to the people to fight against the evil forces. It provides congenial condition in which people can make good progress. National integration importance. What is the importance? National integration has assumed together a greater importance in the recent year due to the fast changing ethos, moral values in the societies. Day by day, there is a changing moral values is there in the society. So it is now disturbing the national integration. The need for the national integration was probably never felt before or felt to today. Yes, we are never feel that we should be have a national integration, but now today we are feel it should be united. Otherwise, we are not going to survive. The turbulent atmosphere, the deteriorating law, order of situation in the country due to various religion, social and political factors have led to the realization of the necessity of the national integration. Now we are, due to these three factors, religion, social and political factors, we are going to realize that it is a very essential for the national integration. The realization of its importance in itself is a step in the desired direction. The government, having appreciated the urgency and seriousness of the subject, is taking positive step towards the achieving the national integration. And that's why the government of India has taken a step, and UGC has started making elite subject NCC now. After 60, 70 years of NCC now, we the first time the in all universities now NCC will be become the elite one, and it will be a semester 3 years course will be there. So that is a very good one, and that this videos will be help to the student to understand the common syllabus what we have. But in that, national integration is one of the important subject which has been added in that. The NCC is one of the prime organization of the country, training the youth, the future, the great nation, make the ideal ground to start with. This is the focus, the aim which has been made by the NCC when it has started. So whatever the youth is there, that has to be given a proper training and mold the youth to make an ideal to start have a good nation well established. National integration has been made a part and parcel of NCC training. Lot of emphasis will be laid down on national integration by conducting national level camp. Here we have national integration camps are there. Number of activities where the cadets can from all over the world participate, and everyone will take into the part into the role into the national integration. They will have their activity will be present in front of the cadets, so that due to this we are going to learn team spirit, cooperation, then the communication language. That is a very important one, and the national integration is necessary, particularly in a country like India where people are with the different languages, religion, races, culture are required to be waved together. Yes, so when you are going to have the harmony, all people has to come together. So in this NCC we are going to teach all these. So that is a very, very important one. In the 3 years, if a NCC cadet has gone through this particular process, any part of the world will be there. He will be satisfied, and he is having a patriotism, and he is a dedicated determination. He should be loyal to the country. So he will be there. So the NCC should be compulsory for each youth. That has to be my opinion. But now government don't have the funding is there. So slowly it is going to make a direction. So might be in the future you might be find that every youth of this country will have NCC special training will be given for 3 years. The unity in the diversity of which we are proud of can only be maintained if we have understanding and respect of the each other. Yes, we can respect of the each other with respect to religion, customs, and traditions. That's why we have the various festivals are there. We are sharing our foods, we are sharing our desires, your happiness. Yes, we are going to have a good tradition. If we have to survive as a nation and safeguard our sovereignty and national integrity, we have to remain united. National integration is a prerequisite for the survival and prosperity of any nation and hence need to be emphasized. National integration is therefore a basic necessity for survival of any such nations. Maintenance of sovereignty and territory integrity of the nation, maintenance of the peace and harmony, growth and development of the nation for the eradication of poverty and illiteracy, integration, internal security, law and order, cultural and religious development, economic and industrial growth, attract foreign investment and increase import and export. This youth which is there, the NCC youth is there, which comes out from as an NCC. Once he has completed the C certificate, he will be a multitask facility, and he will be work as a one at a time at three people. At three level he is be working. So his energy level, his enthusiasm, he is a self-guided missile is there. Whichever work he can give, he will do with wholeheartedly, and he complete the task before given the time. So that is a very, very important one. Exchange of technological know and culture, dignity and self-respect of the nation, welfare and well-being of the people, foreign relation, better understanding among the nations of the country. So that is the, with this we can make out these particular points in that national integrated. Now in the end conclusion, it is the duty of each and every citizen of our country to strive to achieve the unity in spite of diversity and further cement it out. No need to break it out. We have to cement it out. We must remember that there should not be no division between north, south, east, west of the country. Yes, we are from the west. Maharashtra, the Pune is on the west side. We should not be ugly with the what we have on the north or south or east. We have one nation that has to be there in the cultivated these ideas in the youth. There is only one India of which we all Indians are inheritors. We are Indian first and Indians last. I hope with this short video, we have taken the second important topic from the national integration. I hope this will be clear. Thank you. Have a nice day.